Okay, this is these winds are gusting anything up to about 100 k's at the moment. I've got the beam sort of just sitting very nicely actually. This is a 16 element Obi's 16-5. The wind's going straight through the side of it, as you can see. The trees are gusting reasonably hard as it's and we've got a fire off down into the Tangambalanga Valley, which is moving fast. And if it couldn't be worse, over to the right we've got a truck that's just rolled and basically taken out a whole stack of it's got hazardous material all over the place. So interesting day at Tangambalanga, but the antenna's holding up fine. And just having a bit of a look, but this just started to settle a little bit, which is good. We were definitely up much harder about 5 minutes ago. We lost one cable to one antenna over here, and 176 is sort of jumping all over the place at the moment because the tree's obviously going everywhere. We've got enough slack on that one, but it's really a credit to Kev's one-man towers. Just with actually the wind starting. Well, what I call dying down is this tree still, bending over in huge amounts. But it just shows if you get your antenna in the right direction and you make sure that the wind can pass through it, you can take a lot of that load off. We're just waiting for it to die down enough, and we'll come down to this sort of level over here. We'll actually drop this, but it's unfortunately just too windy at the moment to drop. We could get cable slack and then cable. As you can see, the towers going nowhere, so once again big credit to Kev from one-man towers. And basically everything else is sort of holding up pretty well. But this would be sort of one of our windiest days for a very long time. The reported gusts are just over 100 k's, so certainly certainly interesting stuff. A lot of trees down, a lot of roofs in trouble. And once again, through that Tangambalanga Valley, that fire's moving so fast, it's filled up the entire valley where we'd normally see through to the snowfields completely. And my bloody magnetic loop is sort of on a bit of an angle over there. I'd like to keep that in one piece. That's about 800 bucks worth of antenna, so it'd be nice if we could keep that. I might have a little look at that in a minute, grab a ladder. That's not looking good. Alright, anyway, there's a bit of a run through as to weather conditions today here in Tangambalanga.